I'm Iggy.
And I'm Meredith.
And we're playing Hi-Ho Cheerio.
Woohoo. So, Iggy, go first.
Okay. Ow.
4.
Woohoo.
Three.
Hoorah. Oh no.
Lose 2.
This is upsetting. Oh
Crap.
no.
I feel like a little girl. We're not. Oh, yeah, we are.
Thrust.
Not anymore.
This is upsetting.
This room is so oppressive.
I know, right?
So I lose 2, then I gain them back. Wow.
Hoorah.
Oh, wow.
This game can last forever.
Yes, it could if we cheat.
Oh no. Stupid bird. Screw you, man. Screw you. Damn it! Ah! I love you, bird!
You mother flipper.
I know.
It's so white I can't even say it.
I know. Oh! Screw you, man. It's upsetting.
See, what do I get? 3!
No, you don't. You got the basket. Woo!
What?
Yeah.
What?
Woohoo! Oh wait, no. That didn't count.
2.
Hoorah.
That didn't work. 2!
No, that was the basket.
I win!
No, that was the basket.
Okay, we'll see you next